Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the phone app and locating the exact entry in recent so you block the right number. Once done, tap the caller entry to open details because MIUI hides the block control inside that screen. Next, tap More or the three-dot menu and choose Block or Add to Block List. This immediately prevents calls and SMS from that number. Do this now so you stop interruptions. Blocking here works at the system level, not just in a single app. Once the number is blocked, you should confirm and manage the block list through Phone, App Right Arrow Settings, Right Arrow Block List, or Block Numbers, because that's where MIUI stores rules. You can add numbers manually using Add or Plus, and toggle block unknown callers to reduce robocalls. Make sure spam detection or automatic rejection is enabled so future nuisance numbers are filtered before ringing. Doing this centralizes rules and explains why some calls are auto-rejected. Finally, verify the block by asking the caller to try again or placing a quick test. You should see the call rejected or routed to voicemail. Make sure you also check messages and contacts because SMS blocking can be separate. Add the number there if messages still come through. If calls keep arriving, update MIUI, reboot, and review carrier-level spam settings. Carriers sometimes whitelist. As a last resort, contact your carrier with the number and timestamps for enforcement help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.